Learning magic the fun and easy way. Captivating tricks. Hidden in the smallest of things.
And there's 2.
Easy magic.
It is I, Max. Just Max. How are you guys doing today?
Great! How are you?
I feel just like myself today. Very magical. So, do you guys want to maybe, I don't know, learn some tricks today?
Yeah!
How did you like the tricks last time? Were they good?
Yeah!
All right, I think today's tricks are even better. So, first I'm going to show them, then I'll teach you, and then of course,
We'll show it to you.
exactly. So, here's the first one. Okay. You guys see this? Right? How much is this?
100. It's fake money.
Yes, okay. It is fake money, but it looks real, right?
Yeah. 100.
100, right? So, what can you buy with $100?
A car. Something really
Car?
cool.
Really? Maybe you could buy some toys, you could buy a lot of food, right? Okay, but what about, I don't know, what should you never do with money?
Never. I will give it to my wife.
Never give it to your wife. That's the first thing you should never do.
Eat. Never.
Never eat them. Never do this.
No!
Why? Why? It's okay. It's no problem. I'm a magician, remember?
What are you doing? What
I'm just
are you doing?
trying to rip this, right? No, look.
It's magic grip.
Is it okay?
No.
Do you think it's okay?
No.
Oops. Oops. Can I have that? Thank
Another
you.
piece fell.
Did it? Oh, you know what? I don't even need it. Actually, how much do you think this is worth? It's
$2.
It says 100.
$2.
$2? Because it's like 2% of the whole bill? Well, we'll see. I believe that I can fix this, all right? This will be worth $100, I promise, okay?
Okay.
All right, the only thing that I need is actually just a little, oops. Thank you. All right, so we need tape in order to fix it. All right, so do you think we could just tape it back together and it will be okay?
No.
Why not? Banks don't take tape?
No.
Even if it's just a little bit of tape?
No.
What happens if we just take this little piece? Does it fit?
Yeah.
All right, can we put a piece of tape on this?
Yeah. Rubber.
Hey. It looks all right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right, now I can go to the store and say, excuse me, can I have 2 50s, please? Right? So, do you guys want to learn how to do this trick?
Yeah!
All right, well, go try to find some fake money and bring it on back. For this trick, we need 2 fake dollar bills. Find 2 of the same bill. So here, I have $200, they're both 100, right? You see Benjamin Franklin is here and here. So the first thing we need to do, go ahead and just rip one part, okay? Just rip a corner and put this to the side, okay?
And then crumple it.
Oh, yeah, you can crumple this one up. Don't rip it, just crumple it so it looks a little old. And here's how we need to do it. We need to fold one time in the middle. Okay, so fold it once, then fold another time, and then fold once more. So at the end, we have something like this.
Like that?
Okay.
Look.
All right, you guys still got this piece? You didn't lose it? No. All right, just go ahead and stick it in there. Put it in somewhere where you can easily see it.
Rip this.
You hide it behind the second banknote.
But it is.
So, can you see it? Do you see it now? No? Do you want me to show you the back?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here's the back. Right? Look how to do this. Just fold and bring across. Fold and bring. Okay, next is the fun part. You just gotta rip there, right? Keep it hidden. So put this one in front. You can rip again. And rip one more time. Here's the tricky part though. What do you do with all of this stuff?
Put them in your hand.
The first thing, you want to hand out that one small piece, right? That piece we saved at the beginning. Take it out and give it to someone.
It's full. Oh, it's full.
Oh, oops. All right, here you go. And then say, oh, we need something. You can put it in a pocket, or sometimes you can even just drop it off the table, but that's where I put mine. Any place you put it is fine as long as you can hide it, okay? No one should see this.
Excuse me, I need.
Yeah, oh, maybe I need some tape. Oh, I gotta just get something out of my pocket.
And Max.
And then slowly just fold it. Unfolded, show.
Max.
So, what do you guys think? Is this kind of cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, again, I wouldn't do this with real money because you actually end up ripping one all the way. But you can do it with anything. Maybe a movie ticket or a piece of paper. So, yeah, find something fun to do it with, do a little bit of practice, and we can do this for Showtime, all right?
Yay!
All right, so, do you guys like candy?
Yes. Yes.
Don't touch. Hands back.
It will be my trick.
This one is for you, but don't eat. This one is for you, but don't eat, don't touch, don't do anything, put it down.
Can I touch it?
This one is for you, okay? Don't touch it, don't smell it, don't look at it. Look at me. So.
It is so soft.
I said don't touch it! Now, you were the only one that's listening to me. You broke my rule and you broke my rule. So you know what? Can you move your arm? Okay. I'm going to say, you get another candy.
What?
I'm sorry, you lost yours. You broke my rule. So, do you guys want to see it again one more time?
Yes.
All right, so, Edward, you get a candy back. All right, and check this out. So, ready? 1.
Hey, I have to get it.
You have 2 now, right? And do you want 3?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, so what we need to do this, we need 4 candies of the same color. So go and try to find them and bring them back here when you do. For this trick, we need 4 candies of the same color. Here's the trick. Take one, all right, and put it right in the middle of your hand.
Left or right?
It doesn't matter. You can do it either way, really. But you see, if you just do that, it falls, right?
No.
Sort of
It don't
bunch
fall.
the hand.
Yeah, you gotta kind of, I think instead of bunching your hand too much, just try to bring your thumb
Help
in
me.
a little bit.
Max, please.
Hey, is it in there? Hey, very nice. Okay, so get it right in the middle and then there. Hey, not bad, not bad. So when you put them 3, right? You choose, and when you put down, this hand lets go, and this one picks up.
It's genius.
Okay.
Look, Max.
And you have
Look.
here, and this
Look.
is in this hand. You guys think you'll be able to do this for Showtime?
Yeah.
All right, I think you should have a little bit more practice though, okay? So start by maybe trying it slow, and then maybe try doing it faster and faster, and then as fast as you can, okay? Now, this trick is great because it's also delicious. So while you guys are preparing, you can go ahead, have a candy, and then we'll get ready for Showtime, okay?
Yay.
Excited?
Mine.
Let's do it. All right, you guys ready for one more trick today?
Yay.
All right, let me just grab, let's see. I need some paper. Okay. And I need my special magic pen.
I
okay?
really like pens and
You like pens?
pencils and highlighters.
Ooh, wait.
It's my life.
Really? So, what do you like to draw with? Pencils or pens?
Nothing. I don't like to draw.
You like pencils? Why?
Because you can erase.
Exactly. It's almost like magic, right? If you make a mistake, you can just erase it, right? It's like
pens.
It's like with a pencil, you can make it disappear, right? Can you do that with a pen?
No.
You can't make a pen disappear?
There are some pens that can disappear.
Okay, there are some pens that can disappear?
Yeah.
Take a look, okay? I'm going to make it disappear. I made the pen disappear. Is that what you were expecting?
No.
I will do this.
So, do you want to know how to do it?
Yeah!
All right, then here's what we need. We need paper, we need pens, we need tape, and scissors, okay? Go try to find it and bring it back. We need a pen, paper, scissors, tape, and a handkerchief. All right, so here's how we do it, right? Go ahead, take your caps off and take a look at the pen. Take out the top, right? Pull the ink out and just put it to the side. And then take out the bottom and put it to the side. Now with this part, we need a piece of paper. Okay, so take a piece of paper and I'm just going to mark it right at the length of this. Take your scissors. All right, and just cut out about that should be fine. And then cut this way. So we make a little box, right? A little rectangle. Go ahead and put the tape. Oh, there it is. So put the tape on one side, like right here. Okay. And then tape on here. Try to get it as close to this edge as possible. And we'll see why in 1 second. So double-sided tape on one side. The pen stick on the other. And roll as tight as you can. Okay? Roll, roll, roll until it hits the tape. Then, looks like pretty much the pen, right? Now you take out that piece. Add that to one side. And then put that on one side. And there. Looks like a real pen, right? Do you guys see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. But it's really just paper. So you can just simply break it in half. And if you put it in some kind of tissue, you can see, here's my old one, right? And when you put this over it and crumple it up again, and then finally at the end, try to keep it hidden somewhere and just tuck it away. Pretty cool, huh? Mm-hmm. So, let's get this set up and then one of you can get ready. Make one of these for Showtime. Okay, so those were all the tricks for today. Which ones did you guys like best?
Second. Pen.
Okay.
With candies.
You liked the
Money.
candies? You liked the money? And you liked which one?
Pen.
The pen. Okay, so let's see. Do you guys want to do your favorite ones for Showtime?
Yeah!
All right.
Showtime. Candy magic trick.
First, I will teleport that to here. Yeah. So. Then that to here, okay?
Hey. Excellent.
So, and then that's it.
Torn and restored money bill trick.
Okay, I have just found this $100 bill, and I've also decided to rip it.
You're stupid!
Why?
What are you doing?
Why not?
Because it's $100 real money.
Why? What would you do?
I would keep it and spend it on something cool. Why did you just do that?
No,
But
because I can put it back together.
Really?
Yes. And I can still use it.
Excellent.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Disappearing pen.
It's right. Look. Yeah. Look. A real pen. But now, it will be a magic. Hi. Kai. Bye. Look.
So, very good job today, everyone. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right, are you gonna come back next time?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's play the dragon.
KIDDO TV. Subscribe.